Welcome. Find a quiet space where you can relax. Let go of any tension. Your journey begins within. This is a journey through the cosmos, a meditation to find peace. Allow yourself to be guided by your breath and imagination. Let us begin. Close your eyes gently. Inhale slowly and deeply, feeling the breath fill your lungs. Hold it for a moment, feeling the life force within. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Repeat this breath cycle, feeling your body relax with each exhale. Breathe in calmness, breathe out stress. Behind closed eyelids, imagine a vast, dark canvas. This is the canvas of your mind, ready to be painted with the colors of the cosmos. See tiny points of light begin to emerge, like distant stars in the night sky. These stars represent possibilities, hopes, and dreams. Focus on their gentle glow. The stars begin to swirl and dance, forming a magnificent nebula of colors. Watch as blues, purples, and greens blend seamlessly, a cosmic masterpiece unfolding before you. This nebula is your dreamscape. Each swirling color represents an aspiration, a desire waiting to be realized. Feel the energy of these dreams, the potential within them. Section 5. Whispers of Abundance. As you gaze at the nebula, whispers of abundance fill your awareness. Abundance of love, joy, peace, and fulfillment. The universe is limitless, and so are you. Embrace the feeling of abundance washing over you. Believe in your inherent worthiness to receive these gifts. You are deserving of all the good the universe has to offer. Section 6. Stardust Within. Remember, you are made of the same stardust that forms these celestial wonders. You are a part of this grand cosmic dance, connected to everything in the universe. Feel the energy of the stars flowing through you, filling you with their ancient wisdom and boundless love. You are a microcosm of the macrocosm, a universe within. Section 7. Universal Connection. Now extend your awareness beyond yourself. Imagine countless other beings across the cosmos, also gazing at their own nebulae of dreams, feeling the same peace and connection. We are all interconnected, sharing this journey through the cosmos. Send feelings of love and compassion to these fellow travelers, knowing that we are all one. Section 8. A Sea of Tranquility. Feel a wave of tranquility wash over you as you recognize this profound connection. Imagine the vastness of the cosmos, the stars twinkling like distant beacons of hope and serenity. Each star, a reminder that you are not alone in this vast universe. You are held and supported by the loving embrace of existence itself. Let go of any remaining tension, allowing yourself to float in this sea of tranquility. Picture yourself drifting effortlessly, the gentle waves cradling you in their soothing rhythm. Breathe in the peace, breathe out any lingering worries. With each breath, feel the weight of the world lifting off your shoulders. You are safe, you are loved, you are home. As you continue to float, imagine the gentle caress of the water against your skin, the coolness refreshing and invigorating. The ocean, vast and endless, mirrors the infinite possibilities that lie before you. Each ripple, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. The horizon stretches out, a seamless blend of sky and sea, reminding you of the boundless potential within you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, feeling the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest. Hold it for a moment, then release it slowly, letting go of any tension or stress. With each breath, you become more attuned to the tranquility that surrounds you. The worries and anxieties of the day fade away, replaced by a profound sense of peace and calm. Look up at the night sky, the stars shining brightly, each one a beacon of hope and inspiration. They remind you that you are part of something much larger, a universe filled with wonder and mystery. You are a vital part of this cosmic dance, and your presence matters. Allow yourself to float freely, supported by the water, feeling the gentle ebb and flow of the waves. Trust in the process, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be. Embrace this moment of tranquility, and let it fill you with a deep sense of contentment and joy. You are safe, you are loved, you are home. Section 9. Embracing the infinite. The nebula begins to fade, the stars gently dimming. The canvas of your mind is once again dark, yet it feels different now. It is no longer empty, but filled with the infinite potential you have witnessed. You carry the energy of the cosmos within you, the peace, the abundance, the connection. Embrace this truth. You are capable of manifesting your dreams and creating a life filled with purpose and joy. As the stars dim, imagine the vastness of space, the endless possibilities that lie within the darkness. This is not a void, but a fertile ground for your imagination and creativity. Each star that fades leaves behind a spark within you, a reminder of the boundless energy and potential that you hold. The universe is a mirror, reflecting back the infinite possibilities that reside within your soul. Feel the energy of the cosmos coursing through your veins, filling you with a sense of peace and tranquility. This is the energy of creation, the same force that birthed the stars and galaxies. It is within you, waiting to be harnessed and directed towards your dreams and aspirations. You are a co-creator with the universe, capable of shaping your reality with your thoughts and intentions. Take a moment to breathe deeply, inhaling the cosmic energy and exhaling any doubts or fears. With each breath, you become more attuned to the infinite potential within you. Visualize your dreams and goals. See them clearly in your mind's eye. Know that you have the power to bring them to fruition, to manifest a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. The connection you feel with the cosmos is a reminder that you are never alone. You are part of a greater whole, a vast and interconnected web of energy and consciousness. Embrace this connection. Let it guide and support you on your journey. Trust in the process, knowing that the universe is always conspiring in your favor. As you move forward, carry this sense of infinite potential with you. Let it inspire and motivate you to take bold and courageous steps towards your dreams. Remember that you are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your desires and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Embrace the infinite and let it transform your reality. Section 10. Returning to stillness. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of the universe coursing through you. Exhale slowly, grounding yourself in the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, open your eyes. Notice the stillness within you, the peace that lingers. Carry this feeling with you as you move through your day. Section 11. Carrying the cosmos. Remember this journey, this connection to the cosmos. You can return to this space of peace whenever you need to recharge, to reconnect with your inner wisdom and the abundance of the universe. Carry the peace, the love, and the infinite possibilities within you. Share your light with the world. You are a star shining brightly in the grand tapestry of the universe. As you walk through the cosmic space, feel the energy of the stars and nebulae around you. Each step you take is a step towards deeper understanding and connection. The universe is vast, yet it is also within you. Every particle, every atom is a part of this grand cosmos. When you feel lost or overwhelmed, remember that you are made of the same elements as the stars. You are a part of something much greater, something infinite and eternal. Take a moment to breathe deeply, inhaling the cosmic energy that surrounds you. Let it fill your lungs, your heart, and your soul. With each breath, you are drawing in the wisdom of the ages, the knowledge of the universe. This energy is always available to you, a constant source of strength and inspiration. As you carry this cosmic energy within you, let it guide your actions and decisions. Let it remind you of your true nature, your true potential. You are not just a single being. You are a part of the universe, a part of the infinite web of life. Your light, your energy, has the power to touch and transform the world around you. So, as you move forward in your journey, remember to carry the cosmos within you. Let it be a source of peace, love, and infinite possibilities. Share this light with others, and watch as the world around you begins to shine a little brighter. You are a star, a beacon of light in the grand tapestry of the universe. Embrace this truth and let it guide you on your path.